In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to walk with what we call axillary crutches or underarm crutches, which I've got right here. Most people, when they're using crutches, are non-weight bearing, so let's take a look at what that looks like. Initially, when you start walking with crutches, you may use what we call a step 2 gait pattern. You may be a little bit timid. I'm going to demonstrate that pattern right now. My non-weight bearing foot is indicated by the pink tape over here on the left. So when you do this non-weight bearing foot, you're either going to have to hold it up in front of you or bring it up behind you. So what you do here is you're going to place the crutches and then step to the crutch level with your good foot. Crutches, step 2, crutches, step 2. Now, let's talk about what it looks like when you get a little bit more comfortable with the crutches. You'll start doing what we call a step through pattern. So let's take a look. So this is a step through pattern. So you're going to have your crutches, and then you're going to swing your good leg through. Crutches, and then you're going to swing your good leg through.